Hello YouTube viewers and welcome to my channel Jade Rhapsody. Today I'm doing the unboxing of the 120 watt portable tire inflator air compressor. I'm also thinking about maybe doing a future product review on this because my tire really needs some air. So let's get right to it. It's got some features on here: convenience, multi-uses, easy to read, LED flashlight, prevent overinflation. You can see this is what it's supposed to look like, and it's got several different tips to use. So, and then I'm going to pull this tab out, pull this out, and show you what's inside. That's how it's packaged. So let's take that out. First, we've got some instructions, user manual or something. Shows you what everything is and tells you how to use it. Then we've got some styrofoam, which I don't really care for, but just lift that out, and then it looks like it comes with a nifty carrying bag, so that's pretty cool. And then there's some attachments in here. I don't know what this is. Probably this should be in this bag. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it in the bag just because I don't know what it is. I don't want to lose it. So there's the other tips, and oh, I guess it takes a fuse. So there's a fuse in here. That fuse, and then the extra tips. There's several, and then whatever that thing was that was not in there, that's all in there besides some silica gel packs. The instructions I'm going to set to the side. Pull the other piece of styrofoam off. This up here. Isn't it nice? It is compact and portable. It comes with the Velcro on the charging cable, so that you don't have to worry about messing that up. You can just keep it nice and together. And even the hose here wraps around the actual air compressor. This is going to be wonderful. So this is really like for compact cars, I think, and I have 2 compact cars, so there's that. And then you would put that on the valve stem for the tire after you take the valve stem cap off. And this is plugged into your lighter. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off here because this is the digital readout. Or mine's, sorry, plus. And a digital readout it looks like in the box. And it comes with a carrying case. So you can put your little extra attachments in the bottom. Then we can rewrap this around here. You can see that it's got specifically made molded plastic on the side for that to just clamp right in there. So it goes all the way around, and then it goes back under on like a double layer of that, so that way it's nice and portable, streamlined. Just do that. And here's the flashlight that they were talking about. The LED flashlight is up here. You can see EP Auto right here. It also says that on the bag. I just put the charger in there first. Oh yeah, look, there's a little pocket here. Oh, it spreads out. Oh, that's much better. Look at that, it grew. Wow, yeah, I should have looked at that in the first place because that was way easier. So I just put the cord in the bottom. That way you can just grab the handle and pull it right out. And then zip it up, and then you can just leave that in your trunk. The EP Auto small 120 watt portable tire inflator and compressor. So thank you for watching my channel Jade Rhapsody, and stay tuned for more product unboxing videos.